Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for apricot. A for avocado. B for bat. B for ball. C for cat. C for cap. C for cap. C for cat. D for dog. D for donut. E. E for egg. E for eggplant. F. F for frog. F for fish. G for goat. G for girl. H for house, purple color. H for hand. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for king. L for lime. L for lion. M for mango. M for mosquito. N for nose. N for neck. Pink color. O for orange. O for owl. P for piano. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for ring. R for rat. S for sister. S for star. T for tomato. T for tower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Green color. V for village. V for vegetable. W for water. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learn today? Yellow color, purple color, pink color and green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.